Ay, hágale pues. Dice la Chayito, good morning. Ese momento incómodo cuando vas en el transporte público y te empiezan a arrimar el chorizo. ¡Ay! Okay, domain name systems. The domain name system is a server that translates domain names to its IPs. By example, Wikipedia.com to its IP, and work with IPs is software for most of the normal PC users, since it will require you to know every IP address of the computers you want to connect. In this place, we use domain names, which are easier to remember. A DNS server is a server that allows you to find the IP of a PC from its name, its domain name. To accomplish that, the server has a database in which all the IPs and names, the domain names from its domain are stored. In this example, we're going to demonstrate how to install a local DNS server. But first, let's explain some terms that we're going to use in the video. So the forward-looking zone it returns the IP address for the resolution names, and the inverse-looking zones returns the name of the ask IP. And once you know that, let's go with the installation. Okay, the DNS server for the Windows Server 2016. Okay, first let me make some adjustments. Yeah, this app cannot be opened. So I'm gonna make this a little bit bigger, so more resolution is always better. 106,000 blind. Yeah, I wanna keep changes, so okay. In order to make the DNS server works on a Windows Server, the first step is to make sure the system has a static IP. To know that, first we can open CMD. So when I use ipconfig, okay, here's the IP. When I move it a little bit lower here, then we have to go to the control panel, network and internet, network sharing center, Ethernet, here properties, looking for the TCP IPv4 properties, and when I use the static IP, so I'm gonna copy this 169.254.227.14. Subnet mask, it's already there. We don't need a default gateway, so here, important, we have to use the same IP address than the static IP of the server. In this case is 169.254.227.14, and the alternate is the local host, so he will redirect to himself, and we accept it. Then we have to close all this stuff. You too close. Okay, now we open the server manager. and here you can see there is no DNS service near there, and near here, I guess. Nope, no DNS installed, so we have installed. We open the manage here and add roles and features. Okay, here, move, yeah, okay. Here you can skip this page. It explains you about the wizard that helps you to install roles and features, but I'm here to explain you, so you don't need them. Hit next. Here, when I hit, no, don't go forward, go back. Okay, role-based or feature-based installation. When I configure a single server and add a role, the DNS role. So we only have one server. Select it, and hit next. Here you have to select DNS server. It will ask you to install more features. Yeah, you have to install it. There's no option, so we don't have to select anything else here, so hit next. More features? Nope, I don't want more features, so hit next. Here explains about the domain name system. It provides a standard method for associating names with numeric internet, just like a DNS do, associate domain names with corresponding IPs and vice versa. So hit next. Here, just mark this thing here, restart the destination server automatically. In this case, it won't restart. It doesn't. You don't need it. So if restart is required, the server will set modules. Yeah, restart and hit install. Here you have to wait to install the DNS service. Meanwhile, you can close this window. It won't cut the installation process. Hurry up, dude. Okay. The installation succeeded on the Windows 10. Here's the server. So we can close it, and we can see here now we have a DNS service, but it's not configured, so we have to configure it. Here in tools we go to DNS service. Here we have to select the server, right click, configure a DNS server. This wizard, I'm here to explain you, so you don't need to read this. Create a forward lookup zone. Forward lookup zone, it's used to redirect from names to IPs. So hit next. This server maintains the zones. Yep, it won't move anywhere. So hit next. The zone name. Estoy reconcendo.com. Duérmete. Oh, fuck. Okay, then we have to create a DNS zone file. We can just let them like it is right now, so hit next. Nope, do not allow dynamic updates, so hit next. And no, it should not forward queries because we don't have another server. So hit next. Routines. Okay, finished. Yeah, routines, never need them, so okay. Now duplicate this and look into the forward lookup zones folders. It's my folder, and now right click here and add a new host with the name the same as the parent, so leave it blank, with the IP address. Which one was it? Which one was it? I have to look at, so here's the IP address is 169.254.27.0. Then we had a host. Yeah, the host record was successfully created. We can add another host called with IP address 169.227.13. So add the host. Okay, I don't need any more hosts. So we have two hosts here. We can also create a reverse lookup zone, create a new zone, next on the wizard, a primary zone, IPv4, and the network ID is 169.254.27.227. This will inverse the IP, and we have to click next. The new file will be called like this. We click next. No, I don't want automatic updates, and finish. Now we look into the reverse lookup zones and add another. Now it's a pointer, and the pointer will point to this IP, the 13. That was Monejito. Or you can browse from here and my server, the forward looking zones. The zone I've created and Conejita. With this, every time someone asks for this IP, will be redirected to this host name. Now I show you. We have our pointer there, so we have to shake it. To check it, we use the lookup command and look up for my primary zone. Oh, right. It's DNS lookup. Name server lookup. 30%.com. And it states that my name it's allocated in these headers, which is correct. Now let's check one hito. It was on 13, so yep, here is on 13. And if we look inverse, this is the IP. It will return, yep. So the DNS server is working and is resolving even inverse. So I think I'm done. I'm gonna sleep. See you.